how to hard factory reset a Karchilor smartwatch. I'm going to show you how to do this. You might want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having any issues with this not pairing with your phone or not syncing with your phone, or if it's connecting to the wrong device, or if it's sluggish or it's bugging, any kind of issues like that that you're trying to troubleshoot, a factory reset can fix a lot of those things. Also, if you want to set this up on a new phone and just get like a fresh start on everything, we can just go ahead and do this. It's real easy. We just need to turn the watch face on, and from there we're just going to scroll down to get to this menu here. From this menu here, then we're going to scroll across to get to this second page of the menu, and we're going to select this little gear icon here all the way to the bottom right. And then from there we're going to scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, scroll down until we get to System. Once we get to System, we're going to click on that, and we're going to go down to the bottom option here, Reset. Select Reset, and it's going to warn you all data and settings will be erased. Reset now. We're going to say yes. And once we do that, it's going to wipe everything off of it. Now you will need to repair it with a phone or anything like that you've had it to. See, now it has you have to scan to repair it with your phone and everything like that. So anyways, if you're interested in this watch, I'll put a link down below. Thanks a lot for watching.